In the Innovation Hub at Seco Tools, we are primarily about providing a whole service to the customer, not just about cutting tools. So innovation, efficiency, working with various collaborative partners like Hella. We have the H6000 machine installed behind us, and we've done a lot of demonstrations on this machine. We also have a very good collaborative relationship with Wogaard. In the Innovation Hub, we're interested in sustainability, in green issues, and also efficiency. Using the Wogaard Coolant Saving system, it retrieves coolant from the swarf tank, which would normally be thrown away. A barrel of coolant can cost £1,700, maybe more. And some customers may be throwing that away with the swarf. The Wogaard system will recycle that back into the machine, which is good for the environment, for efficiency, and is a good cost saving.